I know I've told you a couple times now that I go to my local Ace Hardware for my hobby shop. This is in downtown Grays Lake, my hometown, and this is the model aisle. They mostly concentrate on bikes and bike accessories and remote controls and trains and actually a little bit of everything. They have this balsa wood section over here, which is pretty cool. But what I found, I've been digging through these, and they actually have these old Hasegawa kits, which are pretty cool. And they've got a ton of Japanese. So here's a Zero, an Oscar, a George, a Kate, another Zero there, and then look what they have. Actually, I may grab this and save it for a giveaway. But if you saw my last before YouTube builds, I showed this kit. Matter of fact, I'm going to put that in my stack here. So I got a few cars and some planes and a little bit of armor, actually a deformed build. I was going to come here to look for that, but yeah, you can see, and there's some more. There's a Jack and a Frank Japanese plane. These old Heller kits are pretty cool. There's a F9 F2 Panther, and those prices are not bad, I have to say. So I was picking up my daughter from work, and she told me come back in a half hour. So I thought I'd stop in here and see what they have. So what I ended up going with, if you saw some of my museum videos, I mentioned that MiG-21, that eventually I want to build one of those. I'm going to grab that. In that Lone Star Flight Museum, there was one of these Lockheed Venturas, so I'm going to grab that. In the last one, I mentioned that F8 Crusader, and then a T6 Trojan. And then they have a pretty decent price on this Yorktown. I think it's like 38 bucks. And my USS Hornet was one of these Waterline series. So I'm gonna grab that. So yeah, I think this is gonna be my stash haul. Testers, let's see if I can look from the side. So Hasegawa MiG-21 fish bed, Hasegawa F8 Crusader, the Testers T28 Trojan, and I built the Testers B25 and it came out nice, so I'm gonna go with that. And then an Academy Minicraft Ventura and the Tamiya Waterline series Yorktown. And then, like I said, I think I'm gonna grab this while it's available, and it's that older kit, and throw that in the stash for a future giveaway or trade or something like that. So yeah, glad I stopped in here. Glad my daughter is gonna work a half hour later. So there you go. As always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.